Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a human hair wig by Ferre. This one is Topaz in the color Chestnut, also known as 130/31. So it's definitely a red color. Very pretty red color though. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on this. It's hard to find nice dramatic reds in human hair, and this one definitely is that. You can see all the little sparklies, as I like to call them, that kind of pop up in the human hair that you don't necessarily see all the time in synthetics. Just a very beautiful, multi-tonal, gorgeous color. Beautiful, beautiful wig color. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out. So, let's just state the obvious. The style that this wig comes in right out of the box leaves a lot to be desired. But that's not out of the norm for human hair wigs, to be perfectly frank. They usually come with too much styling, like they've got a pre-perm and they're just really curly, or no styling at all. You know, they just kind of lay there. And that's because it's human hair. It's a blank canvas, basically. It's there for you to do with it as you will. You know, you can heat style it. You know, you should really wash it before you wear it. So in the instance of this wig, I would just take a straightening iron to it. But you know, that's up to whoever buys it. This is a very nice wig. The cap construction on these, fabulous. The cap construction is really great. And I'll show you a second when I take this one off. But this one's a really nice mid-lengthish, shortish wig. It lends itself very easily to bobs. So you could, you know, maybe do a little bit less of a dramatic curl here. You could put it in rollers and get a really cute little curly quirky do, which seems to be really fashionable right now. Or you can straighten it out. It is the same length all the way across the bottom. So from the crown down, it's 11 inches. From the nape down, it's 5. And so it's gonna be around 11 inches or so the whole way down. And the bang, because it does have a bang pre-cut into it, is 4.5 inches, but it's perfect for sweeping off to the side. Or you could even, you know, curl that so that way it's a true bang. I just swept it off to the side because it came out of the box that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off, and then after I put it back on, I'll do the 360 thing for you. Just very excited to show you the cap construction because it's so nice. It has a very generous piece of polyurethane here at the front hairline, and it also has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top. Just lace here on the ear tabs. Does have an extended felt nape, which is very nice. Just kind of like a bra strap. The back is pretty stretchy. The perimeter is also pretty darn stretchy. That's very, very nice. I'm gonna show you this color up close since it is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dark auburn color. Very, very pretty. Lots of tones and highlights. I mean, it's just got a ton of different tones and highlights in here. It's got little glints of like wine, has little glints of like a coppery goldish color. I mean, it's just got so much beautiful tone going on. Very, very striking, beautiful color. And this is a very beautiful, dense monotop. They definitely give you a lot of hair for your money with this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. This wig weighs 5.7 ounces, which is kind of heavy for a wig this length, but it's definitely not if you consider that it's human hair and that they're actually giving you quite a lot of human hair for what you're paying. Human hair is very durable. It really can take a beating. It all depends on how you play with it, how you take care of it. If you are responsible with your human hair and you care for it properly, these wigs can last you years, and that's no joke. So I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side. So you can see I kind of don't like this sort of swoopy thing, but that's not permanent. All you have to do is wash it and then style it, and that is gone. So don't get too bent out of shape about the style. It's human hair. Think of it as a blank canvas. Here's the back. The hair moves really naturally because it is natural hair. This hair has been sourced mainly from the Asian market. So it is a little bit thicker quality hair, but that tends to be the norm in the wig market. So there you go. This has been a review of the very nice and easy Topaz wig, which is a mid-length sort of page boy cut by Louis Ferre in the color Chestnut, also known as 130/31. This color is also available in synthetic, but it's not quite as multi-dimensional as it is in the human hair. Human hair just picks up a whole bunch of different tones and highlights that the synthetics really just can't. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great night. And if you have a chance, check out my web store. I sell wigs also, and the address for that is www.CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.